Hey guys, Matt from Makita here. Today I'm going to take you through our new 18-volt brushless multifunction powerhead, DUX18. The DUX18 has been designed to provide a lightweight and powerful powerhead which gives the ability to take on a wide variety of tasks in the backyard by simply changing the attachment. It is compatible with the majority of attachments that are currently available, meaning it can be used to trim hedges, cut down tree limbs, maintain edges, cultivate soil, sweep hard surfaces and trim long grasses with the EM409MP line trimmer attachment. The DUX18 is not compatible with the EM403MP line trimmer attachment. Similarly to the DUX60, the DUX18 features a lever lock system which allows attachments to be installed, changed and removed quickly and easily, minimising hold-ups between jobs. It features a two-stage speed control, allowing the user to cycle between the low and high speeds to match the perfect speed with the job at hand. And the lightweight design of the DUX18 at only 3.1 kilograms with a battery keeps the overall tool weight at a minimum, allowing it to be used comfortably for long periods of time. So this is our new 18-volt brushless multifunction powerhead, DUX18. For more information on this product and others, head over to our website.